Regulatory tech platforms versus regulatory law firms. Which one is better for financial services compliance? Most financial institutions assume compliance is all about legal advice. The surprising truth is that regulatory tech platforms, or RegTech, can automate much of the compliance process, reducing errors and saving time, while law firms focus on interpretation and strategy. RegTech platforms monitor regulatory changes, automate reporting, track transactions for suspicious activity, and generate compliance dashboards. For example, banks using RegTech can instantly flag anti-money laundering violations, generate audit-ready reports, and stay up to date with evolving rules across multiple jurisdictions. This level of automation is nearly impossible with manual processes alone. Regulatory law firms, however, bring expertise in interpreting complex regulations, representing institutions in regulatory investigations, and advising on strategic compliance decisions. Their guidance is crucial when legal ambiguity exists or enforcement risk is high. But relying solely on law firms for operational compliance can be slow and expensive, especially for high-volume reporting requirements. The most effective approach combines both. RegTech platforms handle continuous monitoring, automated reporting, and operational compliance, while regulatory law firms provide strategic guidance, legal validation, and representation when enforcement issues arise. This hybrid model ensures efficiency, accuracy, and regulatory assurance. The key takeaway is that compliance in financial services isn't an either decision. The surprising truth is that institutions leveraging RegTech for operational tasks, while engaging law firms for legal oversight, achieve faster, more reliable, and cost-effective compliance, reducing risk and staying ahead of regulators.